Just as a side note, Hemian, you must tell everybody if you're recording before you hit record.
I just have the screen and I don't have any audio for it. It's just your writing.
Okay.
I have it sectioned out, so it's just your shared screen.
Okay. So in this lovely picture, we want to just highlight some of the measurements we are given. There's an 8-inch center to center. Now, every measurement on here is center to center. Yes? So this is 4 inches. 9 there. 24 here. And that's pipe measurements here. We have a 6-inch center to center, and that's across there, and a 6-inch center to center across there. So we're going to first solve for pipe C. Pipe C. Okay. So if we look at the bottom, we have 24 inches from here to here. Yes. And if we look up here, we have 9 plus 6. So if I have 15 minus 9, like if let me just draw this out a little bit more. So if I put my center line on there, put my center line on there, this measurement across here is 15 inches. Yeah. So that makes C 24 minus 15. So that makes C 9 inches center to center. And that's going to be center of that 90 to center of there. So that's that measurement there. And I'll just draw this line. There. 9 inches center to center. See that? Everybody with me so far? Pretty easy, huh? So we'll solve for B next on this side. So we have 4 inches here. There's a 4-inch measurement here. If we follow that along, we have another 6-inch measurement here. So B must be 10 inches center to center. We will now solve for the offset or the offset of these 2 pieces of pipe. So I have a measurement of 6 inches. So if I'm going to draw a right angle triangle, I know that the rise and run are 6 inches, 6 inches. So that makes my travel here 6 times 1.414. So this piece of pipe is 8.484 inches center to center. Let me just bring that out a little bit here. And because this one up here is also 6 inches, so 6 times 1.414, that makes this one 8.484 center to center. And now the next step on this is to solve for A and D. So what I'm going to do is I'm cutting this 45 in half, making a 22.5 degree right angle triangle. There's my 22.5 degree right angle triangle, my first one. As you can see here, if I had a run, see my run measurement right here, this line right here is my run of 8 inches. So to find this rise on the bottom here, we take 8 inches and times it by 0.414, which makes this measurement right here, this rise right here, 3.312. And now I take the 3.312, add it to my 9 that is up top from this measurement to the center, making pipe D 12.312 inches is pipe D.
Sorry, Doug, what did
It's a
you
3/4.
multiply 8 by?
0.414. Because this is a 22.5 degree right angle triangle, I took my run and I multiplied it by 0.414 to get my rise.
So it's gonna be 13.62 because 9.75 is the pipe at the top.
No, it's 9 inches center to center. It's 3/4 inch pipe,
Oh, okay.
okay?
You had 3
So it's 9 plus 3.312.
Oh, okay. Where'd you get the 9 from?
Right up here. This is 9 inches from here to here. You see that measurement there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's 9. And then I added the 3.312 to the
Oh,
9
I see. I see. Okay,
to
thanks.
make D 12.312. Now, the next step is for pipe A, I'm going to solve for. So I am going to take this 45 and I'm going to cut it in half again. And I'm going to make a 22.5 degree right angle triangle. Here we go. There we are. So there's my 22.5 degree right angle triangle. I need to solve now for this. So this is, how am I going to solve for this? So we need this measurement right in here. And if we know what this measurement is, do we know what this measurement is here? Anybody?
8 inches, it's an 8-inch gap, even all the way around, is it not?
Yeah, 8. For pipe A, can't we just subtract pipe D and then that 6-inch for the offset from 24?
Sure. We could go D plus 6 and minus it off of the 24.
Yeah.
That's correct, JJ.
Okay.
So does everybody see that? So I have this measurement right here, all the way to here. I got 12 plus 6. So this measurement right to here, from here, is actually 18.312. So that's 12 right to there, 0.312, add 6. That's 18.312. And if I minus that off 24, ooh, 24 minus 18.312. That makes pipe A, this measurement right here across is 5.688 inches. Center to center. Okay, we have those measurements.
On.
So take out your IPT Pipe Trades manual book. I'm going to show it on my screen if you don't have one handy. So we are using steel pipe, Sked 40 steel pipe, and I believe the pages that we need are for malleable iron fittings, class 150. And if I just explain a 90 first, as you can see, A minus T. So A minus T is the fitting allowance in this one. So T is down here. This is the fitted thread length. So if we take the fitted thread length and minus off A, we should get our fitting allowance. And if I go into my book, if I had a 3/4 inch 90, I would take A minus T. So for a 3/4 inch 90, that's going to be 1.31 minus off 0.5. And the fitting allowance for a 3/4 inch 90 is 0.81 is what I got on my calculator.